Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to reset the service interval on Audi A6 C6 generation. So what you'll get is the following message. So if you put the key in the ignition and start the car up, soon we will be prompted with a message stating that the service interval has come up and you need to bring your car in for service, change the oil, that kind of stuff. So yeah, here it goes. So on mine it says 35 days or 4,300 kilometers. So on some cars there is a way to reset this through the MMI. So that only works on later model cars though. So from 2005 to 2008 A6 C6 Gen, you will need a VCDS tool in order to do this. But on the later A6 C6 Gen, so the facelift ones starting from 2008, what you can do is you click here, press on the car button, which will bring up this menu. You just navigate down to service interval display. Here you have the option to actually reset it through the MMI. But like I said, on these older vehicles, the pre-facelift ones from 2005 to 2008, you will need the VCDS tool. So I will bring up mine and I'll show you exactly what to do. The first thing that you'll need to do is locate the OBD2 port on your vehicle. On the Audi A6 C6 Gen, it's right here under the dash on the driver's side. You can see it right there. So I'll plug in my tool, I'll load up the program, and I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so now what you need to do is put in the key, turn into position 1. And the next thing is to click on the SRI, which is the service reminder interval reset. We click on that one and we'll wait for everything to be scanned. This will basically scan all of the systems in the car. Perfect. So now what you need to do is select here from the drop down menu service reset and click perform SRI. I will wait to check everything once again, and it will bring up a message stating that everything's completed correctly. Just give it a little bit more time. I want to show this in real time. Okay, so it says here the new values have been saved successfully, SRI reset complete. Perfect. So now if we go here to the MMI and navigate down to service interval display, like what we had before, now it says the required data for the service interval display are not yet available, which means that the reset has been performed correctly, but you need to drive the car a little bit in order for the trip computer and everything to know how much time it needs till the next service. So that was it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and informative to you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer those. Thank you for watching.